Ever been locked out of your own finances? It's a frustrating, panic-inducing experience. You try to log in, but instead of seeing your balance, you're met with an error message, account blocked. If you're a Bitwala user, you might have faced this exact situation. One minute, you're managing your crypto and fiat from a single account. The next, you're stuck, unable to access your money. So, why does this happen, and more importantly, how do you get your account back? Bitwala, like any regulated financial institution, operates under strict security and compliance protocols. They're legally required to protect against fraud, money laundering, and other illicit activities. This means that sometimes, an account gets flagged for what might seem like a simple reason. Maybe you logged in from a new device or a different country without prior notification. Perhaps a large or unusual transaction was initiated that deviated from your typical spending patterns. These actions, while completely harmless in your case, can be perceived as potential red flags by their automated security systems. The good news is that most account blocks are temporary and can be resolved. The first and most crucial step is to remain calm and avoid panic. Your funds are not gone, they are simply inaccessible until the issue is resolved. The worst thing you can do is start a new account or try to bypass the system, as this can complicate things further. The primary method for resolving a blocked account is to contact Bitwala's customer support. You might be tempted to just send a quick email, but for a swift resolution, you need to provide them with as much detail as possible. Think of it as providing a detective with clues. You need to explain what happened right before the block occurred. Did you try to reset your password? Were you attempting a large transfer? Did you change your phone number or email address recently? The more information you provide up front, the less back and forth will be needed. When you contact them, be prepared to verify your identity. This is a non-negotiable step in the unblocking process. They will likely ask for a clear, high-resolution photo of your government-issued ID, like a passport or national ID card, and a selfie of you holding that ID. This is a standard Know Your Customer (KYC) procedure designed to confirm that you are the rightful owner of the account. They may also ask for proof of address, such as a recent utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the documents you provide are up to date and the information on them matches what you have on file with Bitwala. In some cases, the block might be related to a specific transaction. If this is the case, be prepared to provide details about the transaction's purpose and the source of the funds. They might ask for screenshots or receipts to verify the legitimacy of the transfer. Again, this is all part of their due diligence. By cooperating fully and providing all requested information promptly, you significantly speed up the unblocking process. Remember, a blocked account is a security measure, not a punishment. It's Bitwala's way of protecting both you and their platform from potential threats. While it's an inconvenience, following the correct procedure is the fastest way to regain access. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.